I was 21 managing a factory, an 8,000 square foot facility with 2 other guys in Queens. I didn't know what the hell I was doing.
This is Andrew.
I'm the founder of Knickerbocker.
Knickerbocker is coming to Australia.
Knickerbocker is a menswear brand that blends heritage-inspired design with a modern sensibility to create elevated, everyday essentials.
I think in menswear, it's funny, like, I don't think Knickerbocker's reinventing the wheel. It's like good Italian food. It's easy to understand, it's easy to enjoy. It's what makes that food or whatever special at the end of the day. It's like the time and care you put into it, and it's the ingredients.
The most New York City coded analogy makes sense because their shop is on Canal Street and they got their start in Queens.
Originally, we were a manufacturing company. We took over like a 60-year-old hat manufacturing company in Ridgewood. Started in headwear and just kind of went from there.
We collaborated with Knickerbocker on 2 essential pieces for your closet, an Oxford shirt and a trench coat.
The beefy, the Oxford shirt 10 years ago was like, dudes were like, that's for an office guy. It was really made to be a good classic work shirt for like the modern guy. Yeah, nice weight to this fabric. Wears really well, drapes really nice, shell buttons, which you can always tell kind of by the back side. These are mother of pearl shell buttons, so finished on the front, unfinished on the back. You can kind of see that it's like genuine shell and not like a plastic button, which a lot of people use for Oxfords. I think the one we did for you guys is probably my favorite we've ever done. To go with the shirt, we have the trench coat here, really easy to layer trench coat, a little bit more roomy, so you could wear just the Oxford underneath, or when it's a little bit colder out, you can layer like a chunkier sweater or something like that with it. And I usually only button like the top 3 on this thing, and then I just kind of let it rock. It's a comfortable jacket. It's a really easy piece to kind of like just you leave at the door and you throw on every day and you go to work. You get one of those and you have it in your closet forever. I don't know if you guys want to go to the basement, but it's a different world down there. We have some of our showroom, new products, stuff we're developing. Down here is like what makes up there easy. This business is so crazy and there's so many moving parts and everything that you just, you really gotta be as organized as can be. I mean, for me, that's like the most important thing is just, you're doing things with intention, you're doing it well, and you're not just doing it for a buck.